Your teams. France, which are going up against Italy.
France are practicing their tactics over here. And here's Italy's camp. So the final of the World Cup has begun. Italy will take the kick off against France. Hand by Asif. Free kick. Alian takes one. Oh, that looked like a good effort. It was a grounded effort, not too much lofted on there. And final. This means a lot to the teams. Asher and Alian had faced off before in a final. The game was called Champions Trophy. But of course, Asher lost that intervention. And here's Adi. Oh, he takes it out. Brilliant. And now here's Asher. I don't know why he took it so back, but now he's bringing it front. This is very ideal. France, can they do it? Oh, brilliant! An own goal from Alian. And it's 1-0 to France. Here's Alian, still Alian. Brilliant from Alian. He has support from Omar. Oh, so close. It was like this. Here's Alian. This is brilliant stuff from Alian. And Omar, oh, almost in. That was a good test. But here's Alian. Oh, he shoots and he makes it 1-1. Brilliant equalizer from Italy. Here's Asher. Brilliant stuff from Asher. Oh, Omar might win it back. Oh, he can. Oh, no, he can't. He slips. Here's Alian. Brilliant, Asif. Oh, so close from Asif. The ball is with Alian, who gives it in. Oh, what a vision. And what a goal. Italy make it 2-1 to themselves. Asher has a bad memory with finals. Beautiful block from Ali. And Asif in. That was a bad ball in. Oh, so close. No goal, but that was so close. Here's Alian. Brilliant from Alian. Up by Asif. Here's Asif. Brilliant from Asif. Oh, brilliant from Asif. What a skill to get through and score. 2-2. Here's the one. Brilliant ball in. Oh, can almost go through Ahmed. Brilliant. Ahmed also has something about him in finals where he just performs. But here's Asher now. Can he get the shot away? And now it's in towards Asif. Oh, that was a miss. Here's Umar. In towards Alian. Oh, brilliant from Alian. That's just beautiful skill. Beautiful touch as well. And now here's Dhawan. Oh, brilliant Dhawan. In towards Asher. Oh, he brilliantly gets through. I just said Ahmed has something about him. As Alian. Oh, he takes it wide. He gets the ball in. Oh, brilliant stop from Ahmed. How can Asif not score that? And now here's Asher. Needs to score this one. A big chance. Oh, it's in.
Goal.
It's 3-2.
Goal. 3-2.
Oh, almost. Asif, brilliant clearance. And now here's Asher. Shoots. Oh, brilliant stop, Ahmed. See, it was better for you only. Here's Alian now. Asher takes it off. Brilliant. Coldly passed.
4-2.
जब तुम न हो दिल मेरा न माने क्या रही. Oh, brilliant from Asher. Here's Asher. Oh, brilliant. Oh, can Alian get it back? He's into the one. The one is on pressure right now, asked to shoot. And Asif with a pass. Oh, brilliant from Adi. Here's the one. Ball in. Oh, can he get a pass? No. Here's Alian. No foul. Here's Alian still. Goal from Italy. Alian now gets a shot away. Oh, so close to being in. In towards and brilliant. Alian gets through. Can he get through another? Oh, wait. Goal. Wait. VAR decision. It's a goal. It touched Alian's balls instead of touching his hands. Here's Asif. This is a brilliant final. Or is it going to be Asher? Brilliant. Oh, brilliant stop, Ahmed. Wait. Oh, here's Alian. This is the counter attack. Should take the lead. Oh, brilliant stop. Takes it and here's Alian. Last play before half time. And here's Alian, who gets a shot away. Oh, he might as well. Umar is completely free, unmarked. Here's Asher. Can he take the lead right before half time? Can he do something? Here's Usher. Step overhand. Usher. Takes it up. Beautiful. Grounded. Second half begins. Oh, that's a horrible kickoff from Asif, but Asif gets it. Oh! Just 2 seconds in, and Asif scores. 6-4. Here's Aliyan now. For Italy in. Here's Usher. Can he get the shot away? Oh, brilliant from Hadi, but here's the one. Up, lifted, and Umar tries to clear it. Aliyan gets in the way. Usher shoots, brilliant. Here's the one. Can he get a shot away? Here's Aliyan. In now. Here's Asif. Absolutely horrible on the ball. Here's Aliyan. Brilliant dribbling to get through. Still Aliyan. Still Aliyan gets a shot away. Oh, brilliant! Lives are back in the game. 6-5. She takes it. Wait, that was a goal.
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 Yes.
Oh, it's a goal.
7-5. He forgot to record.
Here's Aliyan. Brilliant pass in towards Umar. Oh, it almost went in by Aliyan. Here's Usher. Brilliant. Oh, almost in. Hadi helping it so many times. Brilliant from him. He will get the ball back. Brilliant from Aliyan. Umar should touch. Aliyan should score. Brilliant. Lives back again in the game. 7-6. Here's Usher. Takes one. Oh, goal! Brilliant from Usher. But what can we do? Here's Aliyan. In towards Umar. Oh, can't do here. Shit. Here's Aliyan now. In Aliyan. Ball in. Umar scores. Oh, it's goal. No, but he shot from the face of the goal, making it all level. Here's Usher wasting some time. Oh, brilliant. Usher needs to get the shot through. Cannot. Umar. Oh, shoots it out. Brilliant defending. Can he get it also? Oh. I said cheeky boy. Here's Aliyan. Oh, it's a brilliant goal. Mistake from Aliyan. Oh, and red card to Imad. I was not recording. Oh, thank God. Here's Aliyan. Can he bring lives back? Oh, sure he can. Back into the game. Here's Aliyan. Oh, brilliant turn. Brilliant twist. Shot. Oh, brilliant Usher. And here he goes. Here is the counter. It's on. Can it go in? Oh, brilliant save and Asif. Here's Aliyan now. The keeper's problem. He's 2v1. Aliyan towards Umar. Oh, chance. A proper chance. Shoots. Oh, what a block. Has to be desperate for it. Here's Aliyan now. For Italy. For Italy. For Italy. For Italy. Hand from Dhawan. Let us hand VAR. VAR decision. It's a pen. It was a hand on the other side. And now here's Aliyan. Steps up. Can he equalize? No, that's fine. That's not a rule over here. And now here's Aliyan. Oh, what a save! His team are still in it. Ball in. Oh, corner taken quickly. Here's Aliyan. Aliyan corner taken quickly. Oh! It's been pumped away from Imad. Brilliant save from Imad. Time 6:15. Play will end. Here's Umar. Hey! Wait. We will need to check that also. VAR decision. No goal. This could end it. Umar shoots. Aliyan is still going. Aliyan is still going. He's still going. It's still going, Aliyan. The dream. It's in with Asif. Brilliant. Hadi. Alian, last play. Can he get the goal here? Here's Umar. Here's Asif. Hadi needs to clear this.
Okay, it's okay.
Ahmed, this is the last play. Oh, good. Foul. Yellow card to Asif. Here's Alian. Brilliant from Alian. Dancing and going and going. And Umar takes it out. Burr, burr, burr. And France win the final. And they win from their team. Dhawan winning so far all of his SK Sports things. And here is the captain taking, just please start. The captain taking it. And brilliant. Brilliant. They won. Trophy run. Start running. Oh yeah, this is brilliant. Their team wins the World Cup. Thank you for watching SK Sports World Cup.